Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Everand app. We go to settings as you see and we click. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. We go to the apps here. Then we scrolling down until you find Everand app and we click. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.